Hello, this is Robin speaking. If you are wondering how to make this kind of black bean paste, here is your recipe. Begin with 200 grams of black beans. Soak overnight. Prepare a pot of water. Bring the water to a boil. Simmer over low heat for 100 minutes. Then, take the black beans out. Mash them with a rolling pin. Next, we need to prepare 80 grams of corn oil, 90 grams of sugar, and 1 gram of salt. Stir for a while. Now, everything is ready. Add the black beans first. Heat the wok over low heat. Pour the mixture into the wok. Stir until all the ingredients well combined. This process takes about several minutes. Thick texture is what we need. As always, thanks for watching and see you next time.